So tell me, do you wish to have a general conversation or do you wish to speak on a topic? Today's topic actually is unexpected situations.
Ma'am, I want to talk just a general conversation.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your day today? Today's Sunday. How is your Sunday usually like?
Uh, yeah, ma'am, today is very fine day for me
Hmm.
because in Sunday I usually get up.
On Sunday.
Okay, yeah. On Sunday I usually get up 8 a.m. Only on
Okay.
Sunday.
And
Only on
other days, when do you get up?
other days I get up 6 a.m.
Okay, that's quite early.
Yeah. What about you?
um, I get up, by around 9. I usually open my eyes by around 9, but I wake up or I'm out of bed by 9:30 or something like that. My Sundays are
Okay.
always lazy,
Yeah.
and even on a routine basis, I get up. I used to get up early, but now I just get up at 9 or 8. I don't get up more than that, earlier than that, because I work in the evening. So my
Okay.
mornings are usually free.
Okay.
I hope to get up early at 6, 5. I tried, but I can't just, it's not possible for me.
I think getting up early means is it good for health?
Mm-hmm. It
Yeah,
is
when
certainly good for health. It's good for
yeah,
your physical as well as mental health, even
yeah,
spiritual.
yeah. Yeah, actually, when I get up in the morning, so usually I do yoga.
Mm-hmm.
Y- Yeah, so it helps me
It
to yeah, yeah. It helped me.
helps with an S.
Yeah, it helps me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
So
wish to get up at 5. Let's see. I'm going to try it now. Tomorrow, Monday is always hectic. Monday is not possible. Maybe from Tuesday, I will try.
why Monday is not possible?
Because my Sunday evenings are, I'm busy with my family till late night.
Okay.
And I sleep quite late on Sundays. So Monday, getting up early at 5 is not possible.
Okay. So you would try on Tuesday.
Yes,
From
that's
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yes.
Okay. 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 So,
How
ma'am,
many
where are you?
hours?
Yeah,
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay.
You are
Yeah.
calling from?
I am calling from Uttarakhand.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Uttarakhand, what is the capital of Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Dehradun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dehradun is the capital. Yeah.
Dehradun. And what are the neighboring states of Uttarakhand? Is it Himachal?
Yeah. Himachal, UP.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. Himachal, UP. Yeah. Himachal, UP, I think.
How is Dehradun? Have you been to Dehradun?
Yeah. Yeah.
How is
Actually, yeah. 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 Dehradun is a very beautiful place to visit because in Dehradun, I think Masuri is also situated there. Masuri.
Mussoorie? Yes.
Yeah. Masuri. Yeah. And I am from Almora. Almora is a district in Uttarakhand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it is very far away from Dehradun.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, Mussoorie is famous. I used to Ruskin Bond. Have you heard about him?
yeah. Ruskin Bond.
I have read a lot of his books, and I was his big fan when I was a kid. And he's from Mussoorie.
Okay, Ruskin Bond.
He has settled in Mussoorie, I suppose, or he spent his childhood in Mussoorie. A lot of his stories were based in Mussoorie.
Okay. So have you ever been in Missouri?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay. Actually, in Uttarakhand, we have a lot of culture, lot of environment there. Here,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, like we have hill stations
Mm-hmm.
and mountains, trees, rivers,
Mm-hmm.
so you can feel and enjoy.
Yes, I think Himachal and Mussoorie, they were hill stations in the British era. A lot
Yeah,
of Britishers, when Britishers had conquered India, they used
yeah.
to go to to Mussoorie to spend their summer vacations.
Yeah, Mussoorie and Nainital also.
Nainital also, and it is
Nainital also.
famous for that.
Yeah. Yeah, Nainital is famous. Actually, in Nainital there are lots of lake in Nainital,
Mm-hmm.
like Bhimtal, Naukuchia Tal, Sat Tal. So there are
Yes,
lots of lake.
yes, I have a learner from Nainital,
Mm.
and he has told me about those seven lakes which are there, which I'm
Yeah,
aware of.
yeah, Sat Tal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What else do you like to do?
Uh, what else, ma'am? Actually, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on daily basis. Yeah,
Like, do you watch it on a particular topic or just random?
just random. But my
Random.
content, but my content is English. I always try to listen or watch in English content. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and also I listen podcast.
Okay, listen to podcasts. I haven't tried podcast yet. I don't know because it's a new thing. I mean, it has just come 2 years ago or something, I suppose, podcast.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
haven't,
but
I haven't tried it yet.
but one thing I feel, because last 10 or 15 days I am listening podcasts. So I think rather than watching videos, so listening podcast is very effective.
Okay, why is
Yeah.
it so?
Uh, because suppose when I listen podcasts, so that time I like my all focus on listening.
Mm-hmm.
I listen very carefully.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So according to me, I think, I don't know what the other people
Okay, you
think.
get to learn a lot of things, and your whole concentration is on listening.
Yeah.
You become very good at English. That is what is your point of view, I feel.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
understand different words, you hear them correctly.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. And in
What
podcast, yeah, there is a channel called Voice of America.
Words of
Uh,
America,
Voice of America.
Voice of America.
Yeah. Yeah. So I listen them.
I listen to them.
Okay. Yeah.
I
I
listen.
listen.
Yes,
Yeah. I listen to them.
I listen to their
Yeah.
channel. I listen to them. And what is it about?
Uh, Actually, it is about English learning. So usually native speaker speaks very fast.
Hmm.
Sometimes we didn't get uh, uh, what they are saying.
We don't understand what we don't really understand, or we don't follow what the native speakers are really trying to say.
Yeah. But in VOA, Voice of America, so this speaks very slowly. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
for podcasts, how do you hear it? I mean, from which website do you download things? How does it work?
Uh, I download it from Play Store.
Okay,
Google.
podcast. What is the app on Play Store?
Yeah. This is a app. You have to search podcast. So you get, and under podcast you have multiple option, like there are multiple channels, like New York Times, Voice of America, the print, multiple channels you can listen from podcast.
So podcast in short is an app. Is an app.
Yeah, it's an app.
Okay,
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet. Yes.
Yeah, but you should try if you want
Good.
to try.
Yes, yes, I'll surely try. I'll
Yeah.
go through it.
Yeah.
And what about your yoga? Do you do yoga regularly?
Yeah. Except Sunday.
And for how long do you do yoga?
I think last 3 or 4 months.
But per day, how much duration do you give yoga sessions?
Per day I do 40 to 45 minutes.
It's quite a long time.
Yeah, it's quite a long time. Yeah. Yeah, but it is very helpful.
So, what asanas do you do in yoga?
Mm, I do Kapal Bharti, Anulom
Kapal
Vilom.
is when you do it from your nose, right?
No, it is
No?
Anulom Vilom.
Okay. What is Kapal Bharti then?
Uh, Kapal Bharti means uh, we have to breathe outside like this, and our stomach should
Go inside. You have to
go
create
inside. Yeah,
vacuum in your stomach area.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and I do Brahmi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, uh, yeah, I do like uh, I don't remember all the things, but yeah, I do. Yeah.
And what work do you do?
Actually, ma'am, at present I am preparing for government's exam, especially banking exam.
Okay, so you're preparing for banking examinations. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have any experience of going to a police station or interacting with the police?
No, actually, I have no experience like that.
What do you feel is the difference between our Indian jails and foreign international jails?
What's the difference?
Hmm.
Uh, I think foreign jail looks very good rather than Indian jail.
I mean, whatever you've seen in movies, that is what you
Yeah,
are
yeah,
about. They
yeah.
look much good. What differences? Can you elaborate?
Like and in foreign jail, I think they have multiple options. Like they can call,
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, they have calling facility.
and they have calling facility. But in Indian jail, I didn't see like that.
Yes, no prisoner calls us their family from the jail.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And in old movies, I think Indian you can see means how Indian jails are in old movies. Like mm, like did you watch Sholay?
I haven't watched the entire Sholay movie. I've seen that part where they're trying to cut his hands or something.
Okay.
Mhm.
Because in that movie there was a jailer,
Mhm.
so he always said like we are jailer from British time, like he says in Hindi like हम अंग्रेजों के टाइम के जेलर हैं, like
Okay. He says that okay, he's been jailer since a long time, or his ancestors were jailer, right?
yeah,
His
yeah, yeah,
ancestors
yeah,
were jailers, and he comes from a family of jailers.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And what
Yeah,
else do you feel is the difference? I feel Indian jails, the hygiene is not up to the level.
yeah,
That is what I feel. I've never been, but whatever, I mean, whatever we hear of or whatever we read in newspapers about and things like that, Indian jails, the hygiene level is quite low. The food is not that nutritious enough. And versus an international jail, I think they give an importance to the daily calories or the nutrition that is being provided.
yeah,
And mm, yes, hygiene is one thing. Discipline, yes. I don't know about Indian jails, but I feel discipline is lacking here in India.
yeah. Actually, yeah, yeah. You are saying right thing because I think last I think 15 or 20 days before, yeah, I listened from Kiran Bedi. Do you know about Kiran Bedi?
Yes, yes, she's famous.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So she's also telling about jails.
She
Like,
was also telling about jails.
yeah, she was also telling about jail. Like the food quality is not good there, and they are not like, yeah, and there's a problem with hygiene in Indian jails. Yeah,
Yeah. Hygiene. Pronounce the word hygiene.
hygiene.
You are saying hygiene. Okay, you are using the word Z.
Okay,
Say G. G.
hy-
Hygiene. Yes,
hygiene,
hygiene.
hygiene,
Yes, that's better.
hygiene.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, and I feel in an international jail, if the prisoner has been in the jail for a long time or they are imprisoned for several years, they try to teach new skills to the prisoners, which will be, useful when they come out of jail.
Yeah.
Either like carpentry or cooking or electric, something about it. Some new skill
Skill. Yeah.
are taught to them.
Yeah.
But Indian jails, I'm not sure how much is done.
Yeah.
Yes, I have heard that some jails in India, the prisoners make something or they try to, they are at a petrol pump. One of my learners from down South India, he told me there's a jail there near his area where the prisoners are responsible to handle a petrol pump.
Prisoner are. Wow.
Yes, a petrol pump is present inside the premises of the prison, and
Okay.
normal people can go there, they can refill their vehicle, and the
Yeah.
prisoners are the people who are putting petrol. They are taking charge of the entire petrol pump.
Wow. Yeah. I am listening first time.
Yeah, even I heard about it for the first time, so even I was curious about it. Somewhere down in South India.
South India.
Yes,
Yeah. So this is a good thing, I think.
yes, it is quite nice.